Hello friends, today we are going to make an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser using only 5 to 6 components like uh, sensor, ultrasonic sensor, relay module, Arduino UNO board, breadboard, some jumper cables and a motor. Here I am using a LED to show you because the motor in the next part I will connect it to the motor and make it full complete. So let's get started.
Like a Hellcat.
So friends, here we need some components, ultrasonic, oh sorry, I tell it in the intro, but also once again, ultrasonic sensor, relay module, Arduino UNO board, breadboard, jumper wires and submersible pump. All the links are given below. Go down and see the links so you can understand it better. And so first connect we will do the connection. So it is easy, it is not an hard work. So first take your Arduino UNO board, take a breadboard. Next take a jumper cable, connect it with the, you can see the circuit diagram in the last of the video or in the circuit diagram in the in the link description. There will be a link. So we have to connect GND to G, connect it with the breadboard. Next take ultrasonic sensor plus and minus. This you can take any color of, means I am taking any color. So this is the VCC. So connect it with the VCC, which is the blue color. In this case it is blue color. And next connect it to the white color, which is GND. So here till here the connections are done. Next take the relay module, takes male to female jumper wires, connect each one GND to GND, and VCC to VCC. Next the another wire is left for the signal pin, so let's connect it also. Okay, so now we have to only connect the trig and the echo of the ultrasonic sensor and the signal pin of relay module. Oh, so here the LED will be coming. The LED one end, means the motor one end, will be connected to VCC and another end will be connected to the middle point of, sorry, in the middle one socket here. So let's connect it, and another left one will be connected to the GND. All the power supply things are done, and next you have to, and one disclaimer, that the breadboard have two areas. One is this one, this area, and second is this one. You have to see backside of the, means the breadboard, because I was doing some mistakes, that I was thinking all the line pins are connected to each other, and but it is not. The half will be connected in the one line and another. So when you are connecting, just check the backside of the breadboard, And next disclaimer, no, it will be not a disclaimer, sorry. It will be if your motor is working when the sensor is not in contact of any object, so just change this point. If you have connected it to left, then connect it to right. If only the LED is glowing when object is not detected, then only. So another connections I will do now. Here next we have to connect the trick pin and echo pin of ultrasonic sensor and a signal pin. Signal pin will go to the Arduino 7th pin here. Don't worry about the circuit diagram, I am only telling you, and you can see it in the link or in the last of the video. So first connect the trick to number 3. Next we have to connect echo to the pin number 2 of the Arduino Uno board. So all the connections are done. It is very simple one, right? Now let's do our coding of the Arduino Uno board. So take your type B to type A cable and connect it connect it into your computer, PC or laptop, whatever. Now we have to code our Arduino. So this is the code, and it is smaller one because I am a beginner. I am only writing few codes. So let's verify it and upload it into the Arduino Uno board. Sorry for the sound, because it is what is happening I don't know outside. I think it is Christmas celebration, whatever. So next we will upload our code into the Arduino Uno board. So here you can hear the voice of the relay when I am putting my hand. So it is working. I will again give you a practical video, means clip. So फ्रेंड्स, अभी इसका कोड अपलोड हो चुका है और सब कुछ हो चुका है, तो इसका टेस्टिंग का टाइम है अभी. अगर ये लाइट चला, अगर कुछ सामने आया तब ये लाइट जला तो हम लोग का काम करता है, और हटने के बाद ये बंद हुआ तो ये 100% काम करता है. तो फिर सबसे पहले हम लोग आर्डिनो कनेक्ट कर देते हैं. फर्स्ट में ये एलईडी ऑन होएगा, देखिए. अगर आपको डिले नहीं चाहिए इतना, मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही डिले दे चुका हूँ, तो फिर डिले जो है उसे आप कम कर सकते हैं, इफ़ कंडीशन वाला डिले. तो फिर आज के लिए इतना ही. अगले वीडियो में हम इसे अपने एक बॉडी में बैठाएंगे और उसको एकदम का फुल्ली कंप्लीट कर देंगे. ये 50% हो चुका है अभी, और 50 होने के लिए अब मैं दूसरा वीडियो में करना होएगा. तो फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.